Tackling the Great Outdoors, a deep dive into adventure. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and engaging. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase that's all about adventure and exploration. Tackle the outdoors. If you've ever wondered what it means to truly embrace the wild side of nature, then you're in the right place. Let's explore this phrase together, breaking it down so you can confidently use it in your English conversations. When we look at the phrase, tackle the outdoors, we're dealing with a figurative expression that's packed with action. To tackle something, in general English, means to confront or deal with a task, challenge, or problem directly and vigorously. It suggests a hands-on and proactive approach. Now, when we add the outdoors to the mix, we're referring to activities that take place in natural settings away from enclosed spaces. Think hiking, camping, mountain climbing, and more. So, to tackle the outdoors means to actively engage in outdoor activities, embracing the challenges and adventures that come with nature. Why do people love to tackle the outdoors? It's not just about the physical activity. Engaging with nature offers numerous benefits. Physical health. Outdoor activities often involve exercise that improves heart health, muscle strength, and endurance. Mental well-being. Nature has a calming effect, reducing stress and improving mood. Adventure and exploration. The outdoors provides endless opportunities for discovering new places and experiences. Learning and growth. Overcoming the challenges of outdoor activities can boost confidence and teach valuable life skills. You might hear or want to use tackle the outdoors in various contexts. Making plans. This weekend, let's tackle the outdoors and go hiking in the mountains. Sharing experiences. I tackled the outdoors last summer by learning to kayak. Offering advice. If you're feeling stressed, try to tackle the outdoors. A walk in the park can do wonders. We hope this exploration of tackle the outdoors inspires you to step outside your comfort zone and embrace the adventure that awaits in the natural world. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or just getting started, there's something incredibly rewarding about engaging with nature. Remember, tackling the outdoors is not just about the physical journey. It's a path to personal growth, well-being, and a deeper connection with the world around us. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep challenging yourself and happy exploring.